guys. Stay safe. Giant golden guitar. This is the country music capital of Australia. Memorial to the Australian Light Horse. Home of the big chicken, Moonbee. There's just one long drop in this campground. It looks kind of newish. There's water at almost every single camp. It does come with a warning that it's not treated and may not meet health guidelines. There's only a handful of sites here, but they're all spaced out. They're really nice with sort of newish looking picnic tables and really great fire pits set up for camp cooking on. I'm walking around looking for firewood, and overlooking the falls area is a camp kitchen with a covered barbecue, covered table, another covered barbecue, and a picture of what the falls would look like if only there was water. You can see exactly where the falls will be. Must be spectacular when it's running. This little guy is called a rock wallaby. They're small. Look at this gorge. This is one of the deepest, steepest gorges we've seen. Dog fence, please close gate. Wild dog barrier fence. This fence forms a continuous barrier for over 100 kilometers. It's out up here. We stood on that platform. And we started on that platform.
Heather.
Yeah, you really know you're high up from here. There's a running creek down there. And this is where we are. Phew. That's a lyre bird. I believe so. It'll look like a pile of dirt to you, but this is actually a lyre bird mound. They build these mounds, have dirt on top of layers of sticks to stand and sing on to attract a mate. Here we are at McDurdy's Lookout. This is the first falls on the Waterfalls Trail. This is the second falls on Waterfalls Way. Wallaby Falls. That's a mouthful. Anyway, if there was water, this would be spectacular. If there was rain, this would be Chandler Falls. It's amazing. You can see the coast from here. Ebor Lookout. Upper Falls. Lower Falls. Frosty morning at sunrise. Crack of dawn to see mist-filled hills at sunrise.